guys, Joe Gray here, and today I got an unboxing from a guy named Beaver Fleming. He has a website and a YouTube channel that are linked down in the description, and I'll put some links at the end of the video too. He's not really like a company or anything, he's just a nice guy. I met him at Lake Havasu. They were having a contest down there, and he's in the Nitro circus and works at Woodward. But he sent me this package, and let's see what's in it. Alright, so I'm going to show the small stuff first, and then the bigger stuff. So, right here is a Beaver Fleming wristband. He has a store on his website, and you can buy some of his products. Some stickers. And then also a shirt. So that's really cool. And then there's two decks. One is gripped and a tiny bit used, but still perfectly rideable. Got some cool stickers and stuff on it. And then the other one is brand new. It says Reliance. So I'll put a link to them too. That's one of his deck sponsors. Check them out. It's actually a really cool graphic. This. Thank you to Beaver Fleming. Make sure to check out his website, his YouTube channel, and also his new edit. He made a new edit called It Calls to Me, and it was really cool. Those tricks like double backflip, just a bunch of other crazy tricks. So check it out, and like his Facebook page also. All the links are down below, or like click here for his YouTube channel and here for his website. Thanks for watching, guys.
I am a ghost, this is a dream. There's something here, it calls to me. I sense it cause it's always there. So silent as I stare and